Claudine Margaret Costello Barretto, born July 20th, 1979, is a Filipino actress who made her screen debut on the youth-oriented variety show ANG TV. She became a mainstay in several sitcoms, including Home Along Dar Isles, Okie Dokie Doc, and Palabhasa Lalak, and a string of soap operas. Barretto was discovered by talent manager Douglas Quiano in 1992 through older sister, Gretchen Barretto, also an actress. That same year, she landed her first major role on television when she was cast for ABS-CBN's youth-oriented variety show, ANG TV. In 1993, she starred a television series Home Along Dar Isles with Dolphy, which further introduced her to local media. She also appeared in television shows like Okie Dokie Doc 1993 to 2000, Palabhasa Lalak 1993 to 1998, and Movie May Minamail 1993. In 1996, she starred in various films with Star Cinema, which includes Radio Romance, her first film with Rico Yan, Mangarapka, her first major film role with Mark Anthony Fernandez, and Madrasta with Christopher de Leon and Sharon Cunita. In 2002, she starred in a romantic comedy film by Olivia Lama-san titled Got to Believe with real-life partner Rico Yan. The film received critical and box office success, some noting it as one of the best rom-com movies of all time and has inspired countless films that followed it. On the same year, she did the movie Kailangan Kita with Aga Mulik. The film was directed by Rory Quintos, and where Barretto's acting was once again acclaimed by critics, and many has cited it as one of her best works. In March 2002, a month after the box office success of their movie Got to Believe, Barretto's on-screen and real-life partner of 4 years, Rico Yan, died of acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis. Barretto married actor Raymart Santiago on March 27, 2006, but annulment proceedings had been initiated in 2013. In 2015, she adopted 3 children and has 1 child with Santiago. On October 7, 2021, Claudine formalized her bid to run as a city councilor for Olongapo City in the 2022 elections under the PDP-Laban political party. On April 12, 2022, Claudine expressed her support for presidential candidate Bongbong Marcos in the elections. She failed to get elected as councilor. In 2025, Barretto was hospitalized for depression and revealed that she admitted herself to a rehabilitation facility due to post-traumatic stress disorder. actress Claudine Barretto recently opened up about being a single mom to 4 children, 3 of whom she did not give birth to. "I have so much love to give. Even if I give it to Sabina and Santina Lang, my cup was overflowing par in. I wanted to share it." Recalling the time she first embraced her eldest child, Sabina, Claudine said she had a profound realization: mother and child can be connected not just by genes alone. "This is mine. This is for me. I'm going to keep you safe," said Claudine as she recalled her inexplicable connection with Sabina. She later on gave birth to Santino, her son with ex-husband Raymart Santiago. Claudine also emphasized that there was no difference between the love she has for her biological child, Santino, and for her chosen children. Wanting to change the narrative around adoption, Claudine also uses the word adopted sparingly. Change adopted to chosen because you chose them. You don't get to pick your own child. "There's no difference when adopting," said Claudine, who understands how tedious the adoption process is in the Philippines. For Claudine, her children are her greatest reward. They have brought immense joy and fulfillment into her life. She lovingly refers to them as her award. Her children have been a source of strength and inspiration, and they continue to motivate her to be the best version of herself. "If I didn't have kids, I didn't think I'd still be here," added Claudine. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.